Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2016 Triumph Speed Triple R 1050. We're going to grab the camera and have a good close look around the bike for you. Okay, let's have a close look at this Triumph. It is HPI clear. It does come with a spare key in the pack. It's only one form of keeper. What we'll do, we'll start the front. We'll work all the way around the bike, get a good close look at the condition. It's in the matte metallic grey. You notice it's got a carbon fibre mudguard on the front. Let's get a look at this front wheel. It does obviously come with the ABS Brembo brakes. It's got the all-in fork on the front as well. Let's move over and get a look at the side of the bike. This is all over the left-hand side. You can see there it's data tagged. Good looking at the engine there. You can also see it's got the Öhlins fully adjustable shock on the back as well. Your two adjusters there. Let's get a look at the chain and sprocket. And the back wheel. Look at the side of the exhaust as well. Let's get a look over the side plastics and the side of the seat. On the side of the tank. We'll move up and get a look over the top of the tank. And the top of the seat. And we'll move over, get a good look from the back of the bike. And we'll move around to the right hand side. Look at that back wheel. This does also have traction control on this. I think it has 4 modes on it, 4 presets, and it's got a user defined mode as well. Just move the bars round so you can see all the tank. Get a good look over this right hand side of the engine. We'll finish off with a look at the front wheel on this right hand side. What we'll do now, we're going to take a look up at the controls and the dash and get the exact mileage off it. Okay, let's have a look up at the controls. So you've got your front brake, your throttle, kill switch and starter, and your hazards. And over to the other side, you've got your clutch, your lights, indicators and horn. And you've got the information button on there, which changes stuff like your trip, and then you've got your mode button, which is for your traction control. So we'll turn it on. Let's get a look at the mileage. You can see it's done 7,003 miles. If I press this mode button on here, you'll see that change from road to sport, to track, rider, and rain. So those are your modes. Okay, let's start this up and listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos, anything you want to see in close up, we can do that for you and send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.